BJP knows the game plan. BJP knows that this is so important. It has borne them fruits as well, and this is also a joy for them right now. They have experimented. They have with many narratives. They have experimented with caste also in Bihar, and that has bore them fruits. Prime Minister has arrived here, and look at the mood of the people. Madhav, they are thrilled and joy. In fact, they know that Prime Minister can't see them yet. They are swinging their shawls, their stalls. They have their hands up in the air. They are recording it from the screens right now. Prime Minister is also waving this gamcha. This is a trademark of Bihar. In fact, this is what we had seen. No picture like that we had seen in previous elections. But it purely shows, the mood and sentiments of the Prime Minister as well about this Bihar victory.
Well, absolutely. The Prime Minister, in fact, himself, his body language, extremely confident and waving the gamcha, something that is, as you rightly put it, a symbol of Bihar. And we see many such gamchas, red ones at that have been going up as far as the party workers who are responding to the Prime Minister twirling the gamcha in this particular manner. What a spectacular victory. Any which way you look at it, the Prime Minister is, of course, credited with leading the party's campaign. And any which way you look at it, it is, of course, a huge victory for Prime Minister Modi. The fact that it is going to be an NDA government for Nitish Kumar, of course, given the fact that there was 20 years of incumbency, but at the same time, from the BJP's perspective, nationally speaking, very, very significant. BJP, of course, one of the states where you have huge numbers in terms of presence, not just, of course, in the Lok Sabha, but also very significant because it was going to be a challenging election is what many would have thought, Pragya. There were those who said that it's going to be a close contest, but the Prime Minister, the NDA, the JDU, all proving them to be completely wrong with this landslide victory. Pragya.
Absolutely, Madhav, and in fact one of the anecdotes that I heard from a very senior BJP leader is that Prime Minister looked forward to address people. He looks forward to have these rallies. In fact, he would say, why are you putting me only on the 12 rallies? Why not on 24? I'm ready to be among the people and I'm ready to speak to them heart to heart. And BJP knows that this makes a lot of difference, not just a floating vote, but in fact when Prime Minister speaks, people listen, and in fact people agree and they know that what Prime Minister is saying he will fulfill. That kind of development that Bihar has seen, in fact, the generations have spoken to their next generations and they can tell the difference between the roads, between the industries that have come, a lot of difference in infrastructure-wise in Bihar, and people would want jobs, people would want development for their next generation. They do not want to be, be seen as a Bimaru state of Bihar and a resident of a Bimaru state. And this is probably what has made the difference. Prime Minister solely focused on Jungle Raj versus good governance, and in fact that has bore fruit. There had been many apologists in the politics about the development of politics of development. They say no matter how much development we do, people won't vote for development, they vote for caste. But this is not true when it comes to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He has made development as his focus. He made the cultural pride of Bihar as his focus of his speeches, and he has been the first star campaigner of the BJP. Unlike other prime ministers, and BJP has made this comparison time and again. Congress has said that Prime Minister wants to do more and more rallies, but that is true because Prime Minister is also the leader of Bharatiya Janata Party. He has a responsibility to make Bharatiya Janata Party win compared to the other prime ministers like former Prime Minister late Manmohan Singh. So in a way there is a difference in how they approach elections. There is a total difference on how they see elections and how they see voters, how well they are prepared as compared to the opposition parties. And that particular preparation, that has brought the fruits. And if you can just see that people are here ready to see and listen to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And we are also ready because there is a message in whatever he said. BJP leader have been speaking about Bengal ever since the results have come, they have won Bihar. So we are waiting for Prime Minister to speak on Bihar, and also the game plan and also the plan of the BJP BJP for future elections, Madhav.
All right, the Prime Minister now, in fact, approaching that particular area where he is expected to address from the dais of that first floor veranda area, and that, of course, is on your screens. Home Minister Amit Shah, who's also reached that particular location. The Prime Minister, along with Party President JP Nadda, present over there, and in fact greeting the crowds with folded hands, a namaste that he has done there. And now, of course, the formal part of the Prime Minister's address that is expected any moment now from the party headquarters.